is standing by with a comprehensive list of all the cues that you should watch out for next week.
Well, yes, lots of cues to watch out for in next week's trade. However, back home it's going to be a truncated week because on account of the Maharashtra Assembly elections, 20th November is going to be a holiday and the Indian markets are going to be shut. However, on the 22nd of November from India, you have the HSBC Manufacturing and Services PMI numbers coming in as well as the Forex Reserve. But zooming out and shifting focus globally then, from the US on the 21st of November, you have initial jobless claims. 22nd November, you can expect the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment, S&P Global Manufacturing and Services PMI numbers to come out as well. If you take a look at what's happening in the UK then, 20th November, the very important CPI numbers will be out, inflation data, so watch out for that. And 22nd November, you have retail sales as well as PMI numbers coming out as well. From Eurozone, 19th November, you have inflation in the form of CPI. 20th November, you have ECB that will be issuing the financial stability review, so watch out for that. 21st November is going to be consumer confidence, and 22nd November, you once again have the manufacturing and services PMI numbers coming out. From China, on the 20th of this month, you have the loan prime rates data coming out, and lastly from Japan, trade data on the 20th as well as a CPI print coming in on the 22nd as well. So lots of cues to watch out for globally as well. But shifting focus back home then, 18th November, you have the Q2 earnings coming in of Energy, so watch out for this stock. And in terms of corporate action and board meeting over the course of next week, you have stocks the likes of Emami, Manappuram Finance, Asian Paints, Ashok Leyland, Cochin Shipyard, Chambal Fertilizers, MRF and more that will be trading ex-dividend. So watch out for the record dates for all of these stocks as well. Now, in terms of the primary markets then, 19th November is when NTPC Green's IPO will be opening, and it will be open till the 22nd. 22nd of November is the last day to subscribe for their IPO if you wish to do so. Lock-in period over the course of next week will be ending for Aadhar Housing Finance, wherein 22.2% equity comes out of lock-in. Hyundai Motor India, 2.6% equity will be coming out of lock-in as well. Lastly, in terms of some other events to watch out for, you have lots of commentary coming in from the Fed, from Bank of England, from ECB, so watch out for all of this commentary coming in. You also have the Group of 20 summit that will be taking place in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil on the 18th of November, and 16th November lastly, you have US President Joe Biden, who is expected to meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping as well. So that conversation, that interaction is going to be worth closely monitoring. But well, yes, keep a close eye on all of these cues in next week's trade.